Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of these LED Christmas string lights from Quntis. Quntis is really well-known brand. I've already bought many of their products and all of them have been working really good. So I decided also for this nice Christmas lights. They are available in different lengths on Amazon. This is what you get on the box, and you can see they are energy saving. They are LEDs and they're warm light LEDs. This is exactly what you want. They have 8 different flash modes. They are waterproof for indoor and outdoor. Here some of the specs as well on the box. Especially important here also the temperature if you're planning to use that outside. And so here is what we get in the box. It comes on a nice reel. It comes even with some small instructions manual with some additional information if you need, and then even some FAQs. And these are really important information, at least 2 of them. One is the memory function, and it says it has built-in memory functions automatically applied. After turning off, it will turn on next time in the same mode. This is really super important, and not many of these Christmas lights have these functions. Really important. I love this thing. And the second thing is regarding the brightness, and they are saying it doesn't have any dimming mode. That's also important to know. By the way, it comes even with some mounting straps here. So here we have the plug, US plug, also with US current only, and here we have the button to switch the function. So we are plugging this in. You can see it's super bright. I mean, it's almost impossible to see everything on the camera. It's too much for the camera, but we can test these modes here. One flickering modes a little bit dimmed, and this kind of almost breathing. By the way, the waves which you are seeing, this is only visible here on the camera. You cannot see that with normal human eyes. It's just a thing because of the image refreshing rate. Really nice thing here. Then this blinking. You can see we have a lot of different modes. If you love to play around, I also like this thing here. So we have so many different modes. So let's go into this one here and we unplug it to test this thing here. And now we are turning it on again. You can see it goes into the same mode. Yeah, it definitely works with the memory function. That is really important, absolutely one of the most important things here. And the light, I would say it's a warm light. It's definitely not a cold light, not too warm, but also not too cold. And another thing I wanted to show you is how nice this looks and how bright this is compared to the traditional light. Here I have a traditional light chain which you can buy at normal supermarket or like a Home Depot or so. You can see that it has only very few lights, and it is definitely green, so it has quite some impact on wherever you put this. This is much nicer because it's transparent. You can bend this also much easier than normal light, and it has much more lights. You can see we have only 2 here, and in the same area we have around 4 here. So much nicer with this thing here. Definitely huge advantage compared to normal Christmas light. So here we are with footage from outside, and you can see how nice this looks on this tree. That's just one string. I mean, it's a huge tree, of course. I've been a little bit underestimating the size of this huge tree, but still you can see it goes all the way around a couple of times, then even up these large branches, and it looks really nice. I'm especially impressed by the really nice light quality. It's a very warm light, but not too warm, and it's definitely a very good quality, high quality light. It's not flickering, not doing anything. It's a stable light. I mean, you can use the different functions, of course, to create some flickering, but as long as you're choosing the normal steady light, it's not flickering at all. I have some other old lights here, the normal lights here on the side, and we can see definitely a huge difference in quality. This thing is so much better. I'm really happy that I have it outside now. It's definitely the best decoration on this huge tree since we are here in this home. It's the most beautiful thing. Even my wife agrees, even though she almost forced me to pull off all the old lights from our Christmas tree inside and replace it with this light string here, because she told me it's so much nicer than the old one. But luckily I didn't have to. I promised her that we buy another such string light and also put it on the Christmas tree inside. This is definitely the thing which I will go in the future, this light here. It's so much nicer, so much better light, and also it's much nicer to look at, and it's very long. It has about double the length from a normal standard Christmas string light. This is also something which you have to consider. You get a really great value for this, so I can definitely give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.